It's going to go up or down, guaranteed. Looks like it wants to dump a little. The VWAP. All right, yo. Let me hit you back later. I'm hopping on later. Huh? Maybe.
Oh, I've decided that I will be getting to deal with me high numbers.
What a shock and a surprise.
The shot majors in.
Oh, won't bounce here. Unbelievable. What did it bounce over the 1 minute 21? That sucks. Wow. Look at that dump. What's up, guys? ZERODAYJay here. I'm streaming. Oh, come on. What are we doing here? Just keep dumping. Take me out of some of this. I should have locked in gains there. Yo. What are we doing here? I should have taken that. What was that? How many points was that? 3 whole points. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that. But I almost got stopped out. That was a crazy candle. Who's in here? What's up, Coach T Trades? Yeah, you are the first. Marco, what's going on? Pimp Daddy Trades, Amit, Paul Gonzalez, Mad Moxie, Trade Bum. What's going on? Oh my God, can I just get this? I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna move my stop down and it's gonna dump. Take me out of half. Oh my God, just do it. Do it. Oh, I got 2 left here. Oh man. You know what? Oh, I couldn't even move it. I couldn't even put it. I'll lock that in. I got a nice gain on half of it. I'm cool with that. Boom. What am I doing? Now I'm long? Oh, I was into. Uh-oh. Oh, I know what happened. I kept my original. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. I hope it bounces, but it's gonna flush now because I completely muffed that order. What up, Andy? I can't believe I just did that. I needed to change that order from. I thought it was because I'm copy trading. I needed to change that order to 1. I got stopped out. I got stopped out for another gain, for more gains, and then it filled me because I had one mini too many in the order. Ugh. Let's see what happens. What's up? What's up, Einen? Einen, what's up, man? Who are you watching? Just out of curiosity, meme. Who are you watching? I know, meme. I'm sorry, dude. I tried to get on at 11. I tried to get 11 my time. I'm on the West Coast. I tried to get on at 2. It just didn't happen. Nutty Bar is cool. Nutty Bar is cool. Oh shit! Here's my chance. Here's my chance to get out of this trade, this accidental trade. I'm trading my Big Daddy 250K PAs. Who? Who? Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar is the most underrated YouTuber ever. What are we doing here? We pushing this? Oh my god! Just do it. Do it for the stream. We got to do it for the stream. My daughter's here, sitting.
It's never gonna happen again.
Her boyfriend's in from out of town, and I'm streaming. Like, she's never really around when I'm streaming because she works like all the time. So they're literally sitting at the table next to me. Oh, I'm locking this in. I don't care because that was a mistake trade. It's gonna go up another 50 points now because I'm out. That's what always happens. Oh, you're talking about me, Einen? Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I think people like hanging. Yo, Adrian, what's good? I think people like hanging out with me because I suck, so it makes them feel better about themselves. You know? Oh my God! Look, I told you what was gonna happen. Don't worry, I got my 5 ticks. I got a point and a quarter, killing it. It's up another 6 points. I gotta get my coffee. Coffee time. My daughter's laughing at me. He's still laughing. Yeah.
Across the street. That's not the real fact. Fine.
I'll be right back. I'm just getting my coffee. Okay. Thanks, babe. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Yo, meme. Thanks, man. You guys don't have to say that just because we're here on the stream and I can see it. Don't say that. They're all cool. Yo, so I don't know if this is happening to you, but my quality on my screen is shitty. So what you could do is if that's happening to you, you go like because I'm watching it's actually pretty good here, but I'm watching the chat. I'm watching the chat on my other laptop and the quality, it goes to quality, it defaults to auto. So if it's happening to you and it's looking kind of crappy, just force it to show you 720p. Cool little trick. I got to do that on my my other laptop that I'm monitoring the chat with. Brandon, what's good? Let's go, Brandon. That dump this morning was crazy. I missed it. Wow, look at this. How many more points? I was a mistake trade. That's why I was like, let me just get out of this thing. Oh, it's only up 12 more points. Only 12 more points. That would have been another 240 bucks. I'm up 608 on the day, though. I missed a really good trade here. Right here. Well, this was fucked up, but where was the trade? Right here. I got, I knew it was going to dump. I got 2.25 points. I got, what is that, 9 ticks? I move my stop down. I get taken out, and then it proceeds to dump 18 points. I might have been done for the day if I just would have. All I had to do was wait, literally like another 20 seconds. And then I tried playing the rejection on the 34, and then I gave back a bunch of my gains. I was actually red for a second. I was red for a little bit, and then I worked it back. This is where I'm at right now. You guys are going somewhere?
He's not coming.
Oh, you going to, yeah. Yeah, so today, what up, Kev Dap? Coach T. Yeah, I do, bro, Coach T, no lie. You know what it is? I have like PTSD from it going the wrong way on me before I could lock in gains. All so many times that I just like to lock it in. But what I got to remember to do is like move that stop and yo, what up, trades by Dom? Dom C in the place to be. I got to move my I got to like take this instead of let's say I'm in 4. I got to do that stop and move like 3 and lock in at least 1. What's up, High Mountain Trader? Oh, I got to let the people know on the Discord that I'm live. Although it does automatically, they don't always see that. They might have automated post blindness. You know what I mean? Like you could get banner blindness from seeing the same advertisements all the time. Just hopped on, y'all. Y'all, just hopped on, y'all. Why did my I thought I put my thumbnail in there. It's fucked up. My thumbnail is still not showing. Is that even possible? Oh, it's there. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow, look at that. Would you just look at it? I'm replying to Jen Marco. Tried to catch the stream. Turn on the notifications bell. I wonder if that notifications bell even works. When you subscribe to someone's channel, you can hit that, you get all notifications, you turn on the bell. Does it even work? I'm just curious. Notific. Oh, I missed an I. All right. Wow, look at that. Would you just look at it? Are we going to, where are we on the chart? That's a good question. Oh, we rejected off. I knew it. I called this, man. I just wasn't paying attention. We rejected off the top orb. Here's the top orb on the NQ. Rejected right off of it. Just like earlier, we rejected off of the bottom orb like 1, 2, 3 times. This one was a big one. It was like a 30 point move right here, rejecting off the bottom orb. Maybe interesting. The Qs aren't quite at the bottom orb. I would love for the Qs to get to the bottom orb here. I'd play that short for sure. Faux show. All right, let's see what's going on here. Carvin, what's going on? 50Ks are way easier, but the thing I like about and maybe I'm a sucker, but what I like about the 250Ks is once you get to a payout, once you make it to the payout, after you pull out your 3,000, because the max you could withdraw from Apex is 3,000 for like the first 3 months or whatever it is, per withdrawal per account. So once you do that, you're still left with a $3,500 minimum, at least $3,500 drawdown. So that's nice because so when I got my first Apex payout, right, my first ever payout as a prop firm trader last month, it was with a 50K account, and then I was left with like $650 in drawdown, and I found a way to mess that up. I tried to trade micros. I hate trading micros, and I fucked it up, and I nuked the account like in short order. So I feel like if I have a $3,500 minimum trailing drawdown after getting the payout, I feel like I'll be in really good shape to build that back up. And you don't have to build it up as much. I just have to get it up another $3,100 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? There's a major delay here. Or is there not? Maybe. You guys can tell. I can tell. I could see it. Nice job, Paul Gonzalez. Great job. It's just tough. It's passing the 250Ks. The issue with the 250Ks is on the eval side. It's there. You have to get 15,000. You have to get up $15,000. It's a monumental task. It's doable, right? I've done it 3 times. I should have done it 4, but I left an order in by accident, thinking I exited them all with the copy trader, and I didn't. And I lost one that the other one that was trading with it actually went over. But I got these 2 right here. You have to get up only. All right, I say only. You only have to get up. So like, I only say the word only because to pass the eval, you have to get 15,000 to pass these 250K evals. But once they're funded, you only have to get to 6,600. So I'm almost there. I'm at 4,200 in this account. I'm almost at 4,300. I'm knocking on the door. I don't know if I'm gonna make it to to this payout window, but I'm okay with that. How many? Dude, oh man, it could take a lot. What's interesting is I went on this crazy heater where I literally passed it to. I got to find that stream. I don't even remember what day it was. I got to grab that stream, rip it down, and post a video. I passed a 250K eval in 33 minutes on the stream for the stream. You can see what happened with the issue with this is the problem with the Carvin. I don't advise you do that. The issue with the 250Ks is if you to pass in one trade, you most likely have to go full port on a 250K. If you're trading the NQ, it's $540. If you're trading the NQ, it's $540 a point at 27 minis, right? So to pass, you need to get to 15,000. You would actually need 30 points because you got to also keep in mind fees. I would say you need 28 and a half to 30 points. I don't know the exact number. I don't feel like doing the math on the fees. You have to go that much up in one trade. Let's say you're almost there. You're at like 26 points, right? You're up 26 points. And then the market decides to pull back a little, even though the move is bullish and it's going to keep going up. Let's say it's, or you're short, whatever direction you're going. So this is the problem here. So now your drawdown is only 6,500. So you could be right. You could be up 26 points, 3 points away from passing in one trade because you're going full port. All you need to do is go down like 11 and a half points, 11 and 3/4 points, and you nuke the account because the difference between the drawdown and the profit goal on the 250Ks are pretty big, really big. It's awful actually. So you don't want to do it like that. My first ever 250K that I passed, I did it in 6 days, and then and I don't even have that account anymore. But that's a whole nother story. But the 250Ks I have now, I think I did them pretty quickly. You got to trade like you could trade just trade the way you trade. You know, I don't know if you're good at passing 50Ks, just bump up the size. Like don't bump it up 5x, maybe bump it up 2x or 3x. Your average position size. Like if you've passed a bunch of 50Ks before, or just stay with the 50Ks if that's what's working for you. You know what I mean? I was doing the math with a couple of people that were hanging out on the stream, and it just made I don't know, it just kind of made sense to me. So that's what I ended up doing. You know, I like 25Ks a lot too, but I had a 25K in the fucking payout range yesterday, and I found a way to nuke it. So I need to once I clean that up, I think I'll be a much more consistent, payout receiver. I want to be a habitual, just like Apex, those guys are habitual sale extenders. I want to be, and I'm a habitual link and coupon code dropper in the chat. I want to be a habitual payout receiver. You know what I'm saying? Slade Gorman, what's good? Just like Rick James was a habitual line stepper, So just so you guys, hey, for those of you guys that are in here for the first time, we do have a Discord that Peter Schaap was kind enough to set up. Not for me. He set it up for the community. He was telling me, hey man, you got a lot of the same people hanging out in here a lot. We're all becoming friends. We're all homies now. You need to set up a Discord. I'm like, I don't really want to. I don't, it's just another thing. So he set it up, and then and then there's a couple of guys. We have a moderator we have an official Apex Discord moderator hanging out with us. He's a fellow degenerate. He's one of us. He hangs out with us all the time, and he did a lot of stuff to set up he set up a lot, you'll see, when you go to the Discord, the way it's laid out, everything in there is basically from him setting it up a certain way. He does that. I don't even touch it. I just post in there. I post some screenshots. Everybody shares their trading ideas. It's cool. We all talk about our struggles and what's working for us and everything. It's a really good community that's growing. There's 176 members right now. And then we had another guy, James Newton, made a logo for the the little logo, the little emoji or the emoticon or whatever. It's just a logo so you know what group is what. Like Apex has their ATF logo. He made a cool ZERODAYJay logo. I didn't ask any of these people to do it. They're just doing it because it's not for me. It's for all of us, So let me drop the link in here. Really cool community. Basically, so we could continue the conversation. Slade, no doubt. You're also, you know what else you are, Slade Gorman? A habitual barrel getter. You get barrels. Ain't that right? Kay Sullivan, what's good, man? Do I trade full time? It would appear that way, but no. I kind of do trade full time. Do I make a full time living from trading? No. I do. I have online businesses, so I work from home. I'm already in front of my computers, so it's one of those things. Just kind of worked out, and I'm a degenerate, so even better. Jay, I don't know if definitely relaxed because I took a lot of, just like Darrell from Apex has been telling us, that was John. Got to breathe and relax, right? So I wouldn't say I'm fully rested, but I'm definitely relaxed thanks to all the breathing I've been doing. But I hate to break the news to you guys. I'm not going to be able to stay on as long as I normally do because it's my other daughter's 13th birthday. She just turned, my youngest child just turned 13 today. So we got some stuff we got to do for her birthday. We're going to, what are we going to? What's it called, babe? Let them come. That'd be funny if someone showed up yo, ZERODAYJay.
Today's not about you.
That'd be funny.
We're going to an indoor claw machine.
We're going to some crazy indoor claw machine place. Like the claw machines that at carnivals and stuff, or in arcades where you could the claw goes down You grab like a toy or whatever or candy. There's a place that has a bunch of them right by our house. We're going there, and then we're like going to my mother-in-law's. You know, we're gonna have lunch. We're going to Good Pie. Whatever. There's only. Yo, Kev Dap. Kev Dap's gonna pull up. Do you live in Vegas, Kev? Is it? What's up, Nagy? Yo, Alfred, you love that, right? Yo, Slade Gorman, all or nothing. It's all about the OPS, man. That's all that matters. You like that, Alfred? Darrell? There's a dude, the guy that runs my baseball team. The guy that he has two teams. I play on both of them. He his name is Daryl, and a lot of times we call him Darrell because it's just fucking funny. Oh, look at this little. What are we doing? What are we? Oh, we're rejecting off the top orb again. Shocker. Look at that. What's good, Jay Stores? Oh, Kev Daps in Cali. All right, so just head on over. Not that far away. Yo, yeah, it gives him street cred. He doesn't. You're right. He doesn't deserve that street credit. I'm still waiting for them to get back to me about my broken coupon code. I only fucking sent the request on Sunday. What's up? I only sent in the support ticket Sunday night. It's Thursday. My coupon code's still broken. Jamal, what's good, bro? Jay, what's good? Roro, what's up? You know, we're all breathing and relaxing. Apex. Yeah. Unbelievable, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. So in case you know, I don't know if you noticed, but my laptop running much smoother. I finally restarted the whole thing. I shut the bad boy off, did a full reboot, and I knew that's what I needed to do. I just haven't done it in I couldn't tell you the last time I restarted this thing. So now it's moving real smooth. Remember, it was all like bogged down and laggy. Now it's cool. Now we're good to go. Are we bouncing here? I don't know. I guess we are, but I don't trust it. Because the reason I don't trust it is because we're rejected off of the bottom orb. But we're kind of consolidating here between, not the bottom orb, the top orb and VWAP on the NQ. And you got the 34. Excuse me, you got the 34 here. Here we go again. Oh, we just blew through it. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Don't mind me. I'm just looking at something. Sometimes when you see it, you have to look at it. Jamal killed the longs today, huh? Nagy, you hanging out? Are you in the Discord? Either that or you and Jamal are homies outside of the internet. I'm wondering how you would know. Just out of curiosity. What are we doing here? Oh, nice. Awesome. 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 Very cool. Are we pushing through this? I think we're going to push through this. Oh, look. The pivot point became support after rejecting this time. We rejected pretty hard off these are the Qs. This is the 15-minute chart on the Qs. So check this. We hit the pivot point right here and VWAP, obviously, but the VWAP and the pivot point were together, which definitely would lead me to believe that we have strong resistance there at least one time, right? And we dropped. That was the big drop. We bounced right off of the lower VWAP band. Now we got back over. We hit it again. We rejected a little bit, like a third of the move, maybe half of the move from the previous candle. This is the 15-minute. Then we got over, and now we came back. We pulled back because we hit the top orb on the NQ, and now the pivot point is support. And look at that, we're pumping. I would love. Oh my god, I think I want to go short here. Oh, is it too late? Oh my god, I missed it. Will I get another crack at it? Look, we're literally rejecting off the bottom orb on the Qs. Look at that. I love the orb. Yo, what's up, Toxic Sage? Captain Price. Mad Money Futures Trading. Yeah, nah, Mad Money Futures Trading. I think that's only rhythmic though. I don't use rhythmic. I don't. Oh, damn, Toxic. I'm sorry, man. So you were toxic trading, huh? I'm sorry, bro. I've been there. I nuked a funded account yesterday. Been there. Nice job, Jonathan. Jonathan's passing evals. Are you still only trading micros, Jonathan, or you have increased? Even if you are still trading micros, have you increased your size now that you're getting more comfortable with the whole prop firm universe? Captain Price, ES Trop of Baird, normal stuff. Thought was 2 years, two ways. No, didn't plan too far after 71 plus today. Usually leave runners. Yeah, I got to get better at leaving runners, Captain Price. I'm kind of. Oh, I did get filled. I got filled. I'm not even paying attention. Shit, I should pay attention. Let me see if we get this. Let's see if we get this. I'm only in one in each account. I'll take that right there. Here we go. Hear me. I'm gonna lock. Look. Good thing I didn't let go. It would have filled me right there. I would have gotten taken out. I'm locking this in. I'm locking this in. This is a funded account. I'm perfectly fine with that. It's gonna take. Oh. I'm locking it. I'm locking in more. Yes. Boom. Bottom orb rejection off the Qs. Fucking money. I love it. Another 195 in each account because I'm copy trading the big daddy 250 KPAs up $800 on the day in both. Man, I should be done. I should stop trading these. I don't need to push it any further. I'm at $4,403 there and $4,470 because because of a couple of mistake trades, not realizing I didn't have the fucking the group selected. So that's why that one's up a little more. Yeah, toxic, bro. I've been there so many times. I almost. Oh, you know what I did? Let me show you guys. You want to see some fun stuff? I got to turn off my screen for a second so I could get my login. I'll be right back. Well, I'm still here. I'm still here, but I don't need. You guys are cool. I'm not worried about you guys. You guys are awesome, but you never know who's going to watch this. Definitely don't need my logins to be exposed. It's easy for me to just copy and paste. I'm going to log into my Take Profit Trade. I'll show you what the fuck I did in this account during the overnight. It was actually really embarrassing. It's actually a funny story. Funny story. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy, Captain Price. It's just all over the place. It's all over the place. Five on light plays, 10 on heavy plays. Got you, Jonathan. Yeah, just when you're trading your funded account, let me turn my screen back on. Sorry, guys, you don't have to look at my ugly mug up close and personal. All right, now we're back. Yeah, so yeah, just remember now with the funded accounts, because scaling into a position, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you have 3 orders in, right? You see how I have this order in here? Let's say I want to get in at the 21. Let's say I want to get in at the 21 EMA, right? Play the bounce there. But I like to you know, I do this with the pivot points. I do it all the time, especially like with evals, and I was doing it with Apex funded accounts with PAs. But like, let's say you're not sure if it's going to actually hit it, and it might bounce before it, which happens a lot at VWAP and like the pivot points. So I put in 3 orders, right? One right before it, run one right on it, and then run just below it in case it wicks down. So you're scaling into a position. If I get filled on the way down in all 3 of these, let's say I get filled here, then I get filled here, and then it wicks down and it fills me here, that will be considered a DCA violation in Apex's eyes, believe it or not, even though you're just scaling into position. So keep that in mind. All right, I don't have any. All right, good. They're all. Keep that in mind when you're setting up your orders for, you know, to take positions in your PA accounts. If you're gonna do it, just do it twice. You can add to winning positions. Here we are again, rejecting off the bottom orb on the Qs. You going somewhere? Yeah.
Yeah. Is that okay?
You can only add one time. Where do you think you're going, Melissa?
You're not behind your glass.
I want you to come over here so I could grab your butt. Sorry, guys. All right, we're keeping this PG here, but she's wearing like the little boy shorts, so I can't help it. Thank you. All right, thanks. You know, you know, it's a big day. It's a big day. It's our youngest kid's. What's up, Iceman? It's our youngest kid's 13th birthday. 13 years ago, and we did it.
12:10. That's when she was born.
Really, at 12:10? Yeah, right at this. Right, she literally, my wife literally shit her out at 12:10. And you know what's crazy? You want to hear something?
Say it like that. It's a beautiful thing.
It is. It was amazing. We did a home birth.
Pushed her out.
We did a home birth for the first time.
She was born in her amniotic
She was born in her amniotic sac. We did it in a tub in our old house in New York, which was fucking crazy. And I touched her first. I touched her before anybody else in the world touched her because I was in the tub with my wife. It was fucking crazy. Let me find a pic. Watch. I'm gonna grab a picture. What's up, Greg? Kyle S. What's good? I think you're okay, Slade. What account was it? The same thing happened to me in my Take Profit Trader account. I got to show you guys how awesome I did in Take Profit Trader. You're going to love this. Thank you, Amit. John Carrick, what's up, man? How much do I try to make daily, knowing I have the FTO to pass the 30? I mean, unless I make a mistake trade or something, I don't worry about I'm not even gonna. All right, so for the 250K accounts, because there's a $6,600, the profit target is $6,600, right? 30% of 6,600 is $1,980. I'm not trying to go up $1,980 in these accounts. Although maybe I could, I just don't. I'm not going there because I know myself. If I try to push that to 1980, there's a good chance I'm going to push it from 800 to fucking minus 800. So I don't worry about it. But yeah, I don't know. I try to come within it. It depends on the size of the account. Like when I had my 25K before I fucking nuked it, I was going. I think the biggest day I had on any one day was like $360. Two Swerve, what's up, man? Oh, bro. All right. So you're all right. I mean, it happens, man. But you're in good shape. Yeah, Jonathan says not to oversize. I'm a habitual oversizer, but not with my 250K. Usually not with my funded accounts. What's up, Moose? Thank you. Yeah, let me grab this picture. I want to show you guys something crazy. It's fucking nuts. It's actually crazy. Actually, let me do it this way. It's nuts. It's just nuts how time just flies, man. Got so much fucking spam. All right, there's that one. And then there's this one. This was me before I had any gray hair, by the way. You'll see. I'll show you those pictures in a second. But look, here's my Take Profit Trader account. I thought it would be a good idea to try trading gold in my 150K test account during the overnight. Not a good idea. And then I was working it back. I was actually up as much as $1,500 in this account. Then I was working. The NQs were just acting crazy too. It was like so far up. It was like nuts. We were so far up you couldn't see anything to the left. So I really fucked that up. So I stopped trading that. I started getting annoyed. This is actually a crazy story. Started getting annoyed. I'm like super fucking annoyed. I'm streaming last night, right, during the overnight. Wow, we were dumping. So then I was like, all right, let me trade. Oh, I can't even show you the other account. I had my other. See, that's the only thing that, oh my God, this is a great place to play a bounce. Can I get filled? Oh, I'm filled. Let's see what happens. Playing the 21. Where's Peter Schaap when you need him? I'm playing the 21 EMA bounce right now. I don't know if it's going to hold because this is kind of moving crazy, but I'm only in one. I'm only in one, so I'm not sweating it. I'm willing to take a small gain here if I can. Maybe I'll get filled here again. I'll buy more at the 200 EMA. I will buy more there, but I don't know. I don't know if it's going to get there. If it does, might be curtains for this trade also. But I'll take 50, 60 bucks here. You know, I'm going to move this down. I don't know if this is going to bounce, but that's dude. What a dump! What a dump right there. 18. It was up. It was at 1850, and it came down as low as 84. So 34 points right there in what, 8 minutes? Fucking crazy. Are we gonna get this move? Am I gonna take baby gains? What are we doing here? Oh, really? What was that? 3 points? I would have taken 3 points. That's 60 bucks. 3.25 points. I'm just worried. It's gonna come back down. Yeah, that's what I'm worried. That's what I'm afraid of right there. I'll tell you what happened. I gotta tell you. I'll finish telling you what happened in a second. I got thrown off course here because of this opportunity. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm locking that in. Fuck. 60 bucks in both accounts. I'm cool with that. Now it's going to keep going. It's going to hit my original take profit. Let me get the orders up. Canceled 597. 597 is the order. It's going to hit it right now because I'm not in. Look, 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 look. There it is. There it is. I do that shit all the fucking time. We're going to get a rejection here. Let's see if we get a rejection at the 34. Maybe. I'm taking baby gains on this shit. I don't know. I wish I should have sized in more, but the account's up so much, I don't want to fuck around with it. You know what I mean? The accounts are up pretty big. Uh-oh. So I'm just doing it for the stream at this point, but that was the move right there. That was a fucking move and a half. What am I, short? Let me do this. I'll take that. If I can. I don't think I'm going to get it. I really don't think I'm going to get it. That sucks. I don't want to wipe out that gain, though. It was 60 bucks. I don't want to give back 60 bucks. I can tell you that much. There we go. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Just give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, why does that happen? Oh, you got to be. Every time I try to drag it down, it's like, what happens is like when you try to drag it, it like rejects the order. You got to be fucking kidding me. I was up. It couldn't fill me. It couldn't fill me. What was that? A tick. It was one tick. One tick. I was up 100 bucks in that trade. Shit, man. It couldn't fill me, and I couldn't drag my fucking stop down. Fucking bullshit. Total fucking bullshit. Well, that's annoying. That's annoying. One tick. Whatever. Stop me out. I don't care. 95. Oh, it was a point. It was a point. It was a point. Yeah, so stop me out. Whatever. You smell it. Is that the stuff? Yeah,
Yeah.
I smell it.
Doesn't it smell so good?
It smells amazing. It's so annoying. Literally. And then I tried to drag it down. If it rejects it because it's right on it, it puts it back up. So poor execution on my part. So last night, now that I'm done looking at this shit, what a fucked up trade. Whatever. I'm still up $729. That's why I got in small. And that's why I bring my, that's why, for those Coach T still in here, that's exactly why I drag my stops, down, because look what just happened. I was up what? What did I get filled at? 99.75. And it went down to, I was up like 60, $70 in that trade, and it turned into a fucking $125 L on both accounts. So really a $250 L. That's why I drag my stops down all the time, because of shit like that. That's exactly why. Anyway, so I'm trading. So this happens, right? I come really close to hitting the daily loss limit on this take profit trader 150K test account. So I'm like, oh, I have my 50. I'm starting to get annoyed. I'm like, oh, let me play this bounce or whatever it was with the 50K. I had a 50K test account at $52,180. I was 800. Oh yeah. Look at this. I was $820 away. I end up nuking it. I go over the daily loss limit. And as that's happening, and I'm on fucking full tilt, I start seeing all these people come in the chat saying, Dr. Dollar loves you. Dr. Dollar loves you. Like literally 30 different people all saying the same thing like over and over and over again. I'm like, I see it in the chat. I'm like, what the fuck? What is Dr. Dollar loves you? Is that like them like, is that like a chant? Are they chanting me on? They keep nuking accounts or trying to get me to not nuke it or something? Like I didn't know what the hell was going on. They kept saying it. I was bugging. I was like, what the fuck is Dr. Dollar? And then they started ragging on me because I was full tilt. Not all of them, but some of them started ragging on me. But it turns out Dr. Dollar is another YouTuber who was streaming. And he was like, yo, look at this guy. I think Vince is the one that told him to check me out. Or I don't know, something happened. I think he brought my name up, and then Dr. Dollar started watching. He was like, yo, this guy's fucking great, or he's crazy, or whatever it was. I was on full tilt, and I'm bugging out. I'm like, what the fuck is Dr. Dollar? And then I went, it's like, is that another YouTuber? And I looked, and it was Dr. Dollar, this dude, Dr. Dollar. I was like, yo. And like I was bugging out because I was on full tilt, and people were fucking with me that came in. Some of the people were making fun of me. And I was so fucking pissed. But me and Dr. Dollar are cool. I made it clear that I had no issues with him. I was just on full tilt and not in the perfect state of mind for that type of situation to happen. I wasn't even aware of what was going on. I was so confused. Yeah, he sent a bunch of people over. So big shout out to Dr. Dollar. He's a Forex guy, I think, more than anything. I don't think he does. I think he's only a Forex guy. So big shout out to Dr. Dollar. Yeah, and like I sent him a message. I commented. I sent him a message on Instagram, like saying, "Yo, man, I appreciate." I would kind of like clean. What should we call it? Like just let him know like what happened. Like this is literally what happened. Hold on. So anyway, there's the Discord. Luigi cocaine. Oh, cool, man. That's what I saw when I first. Dr. Dollar. He replied. I can't do it here. Dr. Dollar. Yeah, watch. I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'll show you what I wrote because it was like so weird and confusing, and I felt bad actually after all the smoke cleared. Dr. Dollar, this guy, this dude, he was streaming and he was like watching my stream. I was so confused. It bugged me. A video the other day, how to recover from trading. I mean, you guys want to check him out? If you guys are into Forex, apparently he's the guy. He's one of the guys that you want to fucking learn from. So I wrote, let's see. Here it is. I was like, yo, what's up, man? I sent this to his Instagram. I was like, yo, what's up, man? Thanks for the shout out during your stream last night. I had no idea what the fuck was going on because all these people I've never seen before came in and were typing, Dr. Dollar loves you in the chat. And I had no idea what they were talking about, let alone that they were talking about a person, you. Probably didn't help that I was on full tilt right at that moment too. Laugh out loud. Then they started ragging on me because I was so confused until I realized you were another YouTuber who was streaming at the same time. Like I said, once I finally realized what was going on, I have no problems with you, and I think it's really cool that you gave me a shout out during your stream. So sorry if I may have come off a certain type of off-putting way. Hopefully you see this, but if not, I'll try to hop on one of your streams to say what up. All the best. And then he saw it, and he fucking was like, yeah, I joined at the wrong time, my boy. Keep it up. Love the journey. And then he actually hopped on the stream and was chilling with us for a little bit. And so me and him are chill. It was just a fucking crazy. It was just crazy. Anyway, what are we doing here? That sucked. That sucked, by the way. Back in Apex here. Oh, we're rejecting off the lower VWAP band. Oh, that's gold. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing here. Back at the bottom, back at the top orb. I'll play a bounce here. I don't fucking care. Let's play a bounce here. Oh, I missed it. Am I missing it? I need more coffee. I need more coffee. Oh, I'm filled. Let's see what happens. See, like I'm getting to the point where like I might be over trading. So if this trade goes well, this will probably be my last trade in these accounts, and I'll just grab. I got to reset a couple of evals because I can't. The 90% deal is over. Can I get 125 to make up for the last trade? That'd be cool. I was like, trying to push it to 1,000. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. I'm locking it in. I don't care what happens. Keep going. Is it going to stop me out there? Usually it does all the time. Come on, push up another leg. One more leg. Let's go. One more leg for the stream. One more leg for the stream. Let's make back this shitty trade right here. We need 125. Oh, I'm locking it in. I'm locking it in. Oh, got it back. What was that? We got it back plus another $10. Woo! That's fucking funny. All right, I'm done trading this account. It's up $861. I'm at 4,500 in this one, and I'm at 44, just under 4,500 in this one. I'm knocking on the door for $3,000 payouts in two separate fucking 250K accounts. I haven't looked at the chat, guys. I'm sorry. So much happened last night. Yeah, nah. I got nothing. I got nothing but love for Dr. Dollar. I have nothing but love for him. Yo, Kyle. Yo, John. I mean, I look at the bigger. Holy shit, Mad Money Futures. They restored 25 PAs, 25K evals, and 5250K evals. I blew them all on Monday. Holy cow, bro. I use levels. Sorry, I'm way behind. What's up, Stargazer Lily? Yeah, we're relaxing here. We're just streaming, relaxing. Yeah, I'm way behind on this. All right, yeah, here we go. I knew 550Ks already, and the only account I managed to get a grip for risk management was on the 250K. Yeah, because you know what you could do with that, John Carrick? You trade the 250K like a 50K, and you should be fine. You know what I'm saying? You tag me, Nagy? I'll check it out. Just do me a favor, Nagy, because that it's popping in our Discord. Send me a private message because I do want to check it out. I do want to look. I just got to get through all these things. Have I tried Bookmap? Moose? No. I hear a lot about it. I know Patrick Weiland has a deal with them. I know Alpine was working on some sort of sponsorship deal with them. I don't even look, like, if you notice on my chart, like, I don't even have like the order. That's about like order flow and stuff like that. I don't even look at that shit. Maybe I should, but I don't. What's up, Stargazer Lily? Captain Price. What happened to the other accounts? They're all gone, bro. That's what happened. I got these two funded. I'm gonna get more even. Dude, I fucked up on the Apex 90%. I had every intention of loading up on more evals at 90% off. I did. First of all, that day that it was expiring, First of all, I didn't think they were going to let it expire. I thought they were going to extend it because they're habitual sale extenders. But I after I got off the stream, like the rest of my day was a complete blur. I didn't have time to load up on more evals, and then the fucking sale expired. So I haven't added anything since. I am going to take advantage of the $35 reset deal, which is cheaper than 80%, which is what they all rebill at for the 250K. So I'm going to basically reset a couple of 250Ks that I nuked the evals. But this is all I got in Apex right now. I got these two 250K funded accounts, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I had number 72 was a funded account. I fucked it up, dude. I suck. I'm sorry. 2 swerve, you should trade silver at 9 p.m. Eastern as a good move either up or down at that time. 2 swerve, 9 p.m. Eastern. Okay. When the market reopens, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, Toxic Sage, I get it, man. I get it. Top Step, Take Profit Trade is a little on the pricier side, but you literally could get money on after 1 day of trading, and they don't stick. Holy shit! They don't put the latex gloves on like Apex to inspect every trade you make to make sure that you didn't violate any rules, so they don't have to pay you. The best account, yeah, we're just relaxing, Greg. The best account to get with Take Profit Trader is the 150K, in my opinion. John Carrick, to answer your question, I do use levels. Let me get rid of all these moving averages because they're blocking all the other shit from your view, most likely. All right, let me hide this. So I have VWAP. I'm more of a directional trader and a scalper. So I have VWAP here, and then you have the upper and lower VWAP bands that come with that indicator. I have the bottom and top orb here. So I trade the orb. I trade the opening, or the bottom and top orb right here. I trade the opening range breakout, bounces and rejections. Look at this rejection right here, right at the top orb. We're kind of consolidating between the top orb of the NQ and the VWAP, as Patrick Weiland would say. We have those, and then I like the pivot points too. Those are like my main ones on the bigger time frames. But on the 1 minute, I love playing. You see what I played here? Look at this bounce. Like Peter, I love playing the 34s, the 34 EMA and SMA for bounces and rejections because it happens a lot through the day. But Peter Schaap put me on to the 21, the 5-minute 21 EMA. So even though I'm on the 1 minute chart, this right here is the 105. This lighter purple line is the 105. Look at this bounce. Don't worry, I got 3 points, but look how much further it went. I got 3 points on that move. It went from 88 it went from, let's just say from when I got filled. I got filled at 88, and it went from 88 to I messed that trade up. I should have just stayed in long, right? It literally went 26 points, 25 points off the 21 EMA. So that's what I like to do, John. Sorry for the delayed response. Peter Schaap is in the building. I didn't even see you in here. That's nuts that they restored all those accounts for you, Mad Money Future Traders. I almost wish I was trading with Rhythmic, but I can't because I'm on a Mac. Oh, hey, Peter's in the building. Look at this. Another bounce off the 21. Look, right off, let's forget about the wick below it, but right on the 21, we're up 6 or 7 points already from the 21. Yeah, John, give you schizophrenia. Yeah, you don't have to trade on the 1 minute. I have a propensity to overtrade. I literally do try to take only 1 or 2 trades in my funded accounts. Kyle S., I have thought about using NinjaTrader, and I cannot use it because I'm on a Mac. So I'm out. I'm out on NinjaTrader. I'm out on Rhythmic, unfortunately. I'm out on Quant Tower. Can't use any of that shit. Jay Stores, what's going on, man? I know you've been hanging out in here. Yeah, gold. Yeah, gold is crazy. $10 a tick. Gold is crazy. Yeah, I'm more of a, Bruce Lee has this saying, I fear not the man who practices 10,000 kicks one time, but I do fear the man who practices one kick 10,000 times. So I'm that guy that practices one kick 10,000 times, which is the NQ. But I do see the value of trading gold during certain times of the day. Same thing with like silver, but I don't want to bounce around between too many instruments. I might try to learn one more. Gold, and I feel like gold owes me money after what I did yesterday to my Take Profit Trader account. Yeah, John, I get extremely tilted from time to time, almost on the daily. Yeah, it's all good, man, Moxie. I'm going through. Oh yeah, oh you were there, man, Moxie. Yeah, Collins, this dude Collins was telling me. This guy Collins, is a forex trader, he was telling me, why don't you wait until the NQ drops back down to like 18,100? I'm like, bro, that's going to be like 2 months from now if it ever happens again. I'm like, because he's like a swing trader. Yeah, like, yeah. Let me. I'm like, yeah. He didn't understand how the prop firm works, how futures prop firms works. I'm like, dude, I can't. I can't even hold positions like overnight. I have to fucking trade every day. Anna, what's up, Anna? E for the win. Cody Futures. Nah, he's cool. Dollar, yo, Anna, Dr. Dollar's very cool. It wasn't him. It was some of his people that showed up in the stream after he was like, after he was enjoying the shit show. Really? I'm gonna refresh. Cody, what's up, man? I'm gonna refresh my Tradeovate and see if anything popped in here. Oh fuck, I got logged out. Hold on, I gotta hide my screen. I'll be right back. Well, I'm still here. See, here's my ugly mug. My Engelhard hat. Engelhard is an old silver refinery. They minted silver bars and coins and stuff, but they're no longer in business. But I got this dope hat because some cool dude in that community made them, and I supported his cause. All right, let me log in to my Apex. I have to log back into my Apex Tradeovate. That would be amazing if I had some accounts show back up. The problem with me is I wasn't affected by it that day. When Tradeovate was having issues, I think on Monday, I don't think I was affected by it. So I don't think I'm gonna have anything new in my account. I haven't had anything new in my account. I know Jamila was having issues, but hers weren't restored at all. Yeah, I don't have. Yeah, nothing. I got nothing. No, I got nothing back. I guess I'm gonna have to just go spend more money. Yeah, this shit's starting to move crazy. You know why it's moving crazy? Because we're almost done. Yo, I need more coffee, Jason. Actually, I got to go get my coffee. I'll be right back. It's just sitting there waiting for me. Ah, that's so good. Um, yeah, Moose. That's what happened. He was checking to see. I guess he was looking in the feed. It's cool that I showed up in the feed. That's awesome that you got all those accounts back, man. Money futures trading. That's fucking crazy. Bo Vosh, what's up, man? Really? Yeah, I mean that's what like people are saying Apex is a scam and shit, and I rag on them because I was in the DCA, I got DCA ganged, on my last payout request, which would have been my second ever payout, so I mess with them. I tease them about all of the stuff and how they communicated with us during all of that rule stuff that was going on. I mess with Darrell, all those guys. That's awesome that you got them back, Bo. Super happy for you. Yeah, Jonathan's yelling at me. You lock it in. Rich C, what's up, bro? I've been there. You know what happened, Rich C? Your butthole tightened up, and you were trying to just instead of waiting for the next setup, you tried to push it over, and then you started chasing. And then before you know it, you're sizing up because you could DCA to your heart's content, and then you just blew through the 6,500. I've been there so many times, bro. I'm sure something along those lines happened. I can't tell you. I've done it on the stream where I'm super close to passing an eval, and I nuke it all within minutes. What up, Vince? What's going on? AS, what up, bro? Dale Matney, what's going on? Anibal, what's the minimum withdrawal on take profit? It depends on the account size. Oh, by the way, I haven't done this at all yet during the stream today. And if you know me at all, you know I am a habitual link and coupon code dropper. Since you asked about Take Profit Trader, here's my link for Take Profit Trader. It's also in the description below. Right now they're running a deal. It's 40% off any size test account and $0 upgrade fee. So if and when you pass the test, you don't have to pay for the upgrade fee. It's $130 regularly, and I'm not 100% sure if it's monthly. I don't remember. It's been so long since I paid a monthly fee for an upgrade. So 40% off any size test account, $0 upgrade fee. Super cool. Here's my link. Here's my coupon code. Best coupon code ever. Best TPT coupon code ever. I hear on the prop firm streets that my coupon codes have the highest pass rate and highest payout rate. I can't confirm it, but I know it's a fact. So use it if you want to support the channel. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're hanging out right now, you're watching this, or if you're going to catch this on a replay, the fact that you're hanging out with us, watching this stream or watching the replay is support enough. But you know what? I'm getting hammered with birthday season right now. My son turned 15 like 3 weeks ago. My daughter's 13 today. I got 2 more kids turning 17 and 18 in July. My wife's birthday was in April. So use my coupon code. Support the stream. Anyway. Meme, I did, bro. I'm a little behind on the chat. I am definitely I'm done trading that. I'm done trading these 250Ks. They're both done for the day. 861.50, that's a great day. Look how close I am. I'm like 2,000, a little over 2,000 away. I do want to, I am getting the itch though. I'm starting to feel like, you know, the fucking Red Balls guy from the Chappelle show. So I think I'm going to reset some shit right now. Next week, new sale. Yeah, probably. I think they're gonna do a new sale once they get all these rhythmic issues out, you know, behind them. Yeah, I think what happens if you can't, John, if you cancel it, I don't think you get it back. You cancel the PA? Oh man. Well, it gets canceled automatically. I would reach out to support. They might take a week and a half to get back to you, but like I'm still waiting for them to get back to me about my coupon code that stopped working. You guys pounded my Apex coupon code into submission, which I'm super appreciative of. So much so that I have it. If you try to use my Apex coupon code right now, it says coupon usage limit exceeded. I submitted a ticket on Sunday. It's Thursday. I haven't heard back from them. So it's been we're 4 days and I'm still haven't heard back from them. They'll get back to you eventually, but you know. Yeah, Alfred, that's what. Yeah, Alfred uses the book map. He uses the book map to see where big orders are sitting at, which makes sense. It's like watching flow, like options flow. Yo, Pimp Daddy Trades, bro. I was up till like after 4 o'clock last night. I woke up. It's my daughter's 13th birthday. It's my daughter's 13th birthday. I haven't even really been in the Discord other than say, hey, I'm on. I haven't done anything other than trade a little bit, hang out, open presents, and now I'm on the stream. So I will check it out, bro. I promise. Send me a DM to remind me. Once I'm hanging out at my mother-in-law's house later, like after we go eat and stuff, I'll be on my laptop hanging out. So I'll be checking all of that stuff. Just shoot me a DM in the Discord, bro. Okay. Peter Schaap. Yeah. Oh, say it. Oh, wow. Dude, you got Mad Money Futures. You got all of that back on fucking Tradeovate. That's awesome, dude. Keltner channel. Yeah, Slade, I saw you post about that. Keltner channel 4 standard deviations. Is there an indicator for that? I'm going to look on TradingView. Keltner. Oh, shit. It's on TradingView. I got to do it in another chart, though. I don't want to do it on my main chart. Yo, I'll do it. I'll add it to gold. And I'll only play the Keltner on gold in evals. Which one do I want? Which is the better one? Which is the better indicator? You know which one? Are you using an indicator on channel 4 standard? Channel 4. I don't know. That doesn't have a lot of downloads. Yeah, let us know which one you use. I've heard of good things about Motive Wave for the Mac. I've heard about Motive Wave too. I didn't look too. I just don't want to pay for anything. I just don't want to pay. I'm already paying. Like I don't want to pay for a tool. You know, Tradeovate's good. It's not Tradeovate's fault that I mess up trades. But I could copy trade in here, so I'm cool. But I think does Motive Wave give you the ability to trade across multiple platforms, multiple prop firms? Because that would be cool. Swiggle Vision, what's up, man? Yeah. Welcome to the stream. Or what's up? I don't know. Let's see. I'm sorry if I said man and you're not a man. Oh yeah, you're a dude. I think you're a dude. Looks like you're a dude. What's going on? Last night, gold was not clean. I got fucked by gold last night. Yeah, Jonathan Sung. I take it as just, I'd be more weary of the person that does practice one kick 10,000 times than someone who practices 10,000 kicks one time. 100%. Yeah, Luke Current. Yeah, I've done all that. Like parallels and VMware. The last time I had VMware running on my Mac, at some point, the Windows shit from VMware completely corrupted the Mac and it stopped working. So I don't do that anymore. I'll just work with what I have available to me. Trung, is Apex having a reset fee sale? Yes, at $35 resets right now. Yeah, AS, I feel the same way. Like the NQ is cool. I do like the idea of being able to trade gold because there's so many people in the group. There's so many people in the chat. Every time I stream, it's like, yeah, I like gold. I used to trade the NQ. I just mess with gold now. Or I like to trade gold at certain times of the day. Bruce Lean's another guy that loves to trade gold. And a bunch of people in the Discord community that trade gold too. So I just wanted to get in on the action and see what it was up, see how it traded. I like to hold physical gold in my hands more than I like to trade it. I can tell you that much. Yeah, 35 for the reset. Thanks, Alfred. New FX crowd is very different from OG FX guys I learned from. Feels like the crypto crowd. Yeah, we're all a bunch of degenerates. At the end of the day, we're all a bunch of degenerates. Yeah, David Investor, they have been restoring all of them. Is my conscious? No, my coupon code with Apex is not working. Software for running Windows stuff has lag. Yeah, what's up, JTF? JTF is in the building. Trades by Dom. They will if it happened on Monday. They will. It seems that way. Yeah, we could get that. We're gonna have a Diddy party. We get to 2,000 subscribers. We're gonna have a Diddy party, guys. Cooper Patton, what's up, man? You just got your Take Profit account today, up 500. Stop trading, bro. Good job, great job. Hope to use my coupon code. It's got the highest pass rate, my man. Amit. Yeah, I noticed like my days went down. My traded days went down. I noticed that. I did notice that on my conscious. What's going on, man? I know. I know. Believe me. I know I got to lock in, but I feel like I need more than 2 funded accounts. I got friends that have 16. You got 5 on it. What up? You know what's funny about that song, I Got 5 on it from the Loonies? The 4 radio version is so bad compared, it's awful. The original version is so much better. Bro, conscious, if I haven't gone into deep depression by now, it's never going to happen. Early on, it really messed with my head, but I kind of just moved past it. I know that one thing I know about blowing all these accounts, and yeah, I definitely want to clean it up, right? I'm working on it. Like, I'm in really good shape with these 2 accounts. I don't care about blowing evals. I really don't care about blowing evals. It's the funded accounts I care about that I blow. But I'm $2,000 away from getting fucking payouts in both of these accounts. So, one thing I know is that every time I fail, I'm getting closer to success. So all of this failure is taking me closer, getting me closer to succeeding. So I'm at peace with all of it. It's annoying when it happens and I'll go on tilt and it's frustrating and sometimes I can't control my emotions, but that's in the moment. Big picture, I understand how the game of success works. Yeah, what's up, Alexis? What's going on, Alexis? What's up, Shenanigan? Oh, that sucks, man. Oh, and they restored it for you. That's awesome. Good shit. Sir Profits is in the building. That's so cool, Alexis. That's awesome. I'm super happy for you. It's like free money. They're giving everybody free money. Regular Keltner channel. Let me get this. Regular Keltner. So the default right here. This one. I'm adding it. I'm going to check that out. Oh, it's almost like a VWAP thing. Or it's like a, they look like Bollinger Bands. I'm going to mess around with that, dude. Thanks, Slade. It's almost, oh, you change it. You only use it on the 1 minute. I wonder if I could add, I wonder if I could, what's up, Brian Callanish Trung? I don't know if, I haven't experienced any glitches with Trade of 8. What's up, Brian Callanish? Hard Hat Trading, what's going on? Brian, I started trading with prop firms mid-October. I started doing all this futures prop firm trading stuff mid-October 2023. Brandon, what's going on? Well, Brandon, you've been in here hanging out. Robert W., what's up? MotiveWave has an awesome trade copy, but you can't have multiple rhythmic connections. I can't have rhythmic connections at all, so it doesn't. Unfortunately, it doesn't apply to me. Dom C. Oh, they gave you the drawdown back and then took it away. Meme. Cooper. Yeah, I appreciate it, Cooper, man. I appreciate the support. Futures Trader, what's going on? You know what? In Apex, they kind of force you to have more than one funded account. You know where you only need one funded account? You know where you need only one funded account? Take Profit Trader, because you don't need to. You could basically pull out as much money as you want, and you could do it every day if you want. That's where you only need one. With Apex, the most I could pull out from these 250Ks is 3,000. So they encourage you to get as many as possible, and they talk about they talk about the big dream. Yo, get 20. You could have 20 PAs and get payouts from all 20, like a bunch of people do, like Alpine was. He'll build back up to it most likely. I'm sure he was doing that for a while. Trades by Matt gets paid on all 20. Amit, who's hanging out with us, is a dude Amit in here, one of our homies, right? Amit just got paid for 20 50Ks, 20 50Ks that all were over the profit threshold. He took the max. I just got to be a more consistent trader. That's all. I got to plug in my phone. That's all. Oh, am I missing? Hold on a second. What am I missing here? Crazy algo candle. This was the algo candle, the 1250 algo candle, or the 350 algo candle. Yo, I could keep. Well, that's a whole nother story, futures trader. I mean, I'm trading these together, so these are basically like having one account, but they're two. I'm trading them like they're one account. That's why I'm copy trading them. But I mean, yeah, you're right. But you know what? I'm looking good with these. We'll see what happens. I just can't go on tilt. That's all. Easier said than done. It's got to be really selective with these. But I'm getting close. I mean, I'm running out of time though. And I lost that day. So literally, if I think with these two accounts, I think the 20th is the last. Oh shit. The 20th is the last day. I think the 20th is my 10th day in these accounts. And then you know what else? You know what else is going to happen? Let's say I get there on the 20th. Then I got to request a payout and wonder if Apex is going to pay me. It's kind of fucking annoying. You got to sit there and wonder, hoping they don't. Because I had a couple of situations where I had an order in, like during the overnight. I had an order in and it only partially filled me. And then I had another order in down here to add, because you're allowed to add to one. And then I got fully filled on that other one. Like, would they consider that a DCA violation? I don't know. Even though the order was in already, I have no idea. Like, it just, you know what I'm saying? It's just, I don't like the fact that I'm going to have to fucking wonder and hope and pray and cross my fingers and, like Ricky Bobby's praying to, sweet baby Jesus. Please, can I get my, hoping they don't pick apart something, find something to deny me for. So we'll see. But a lot of people are getting their payout requests approved. So we'll see. That's why it is what it is with Apex. That's how it is now. That's why I like Take Profit Trader, because I don't have to worry about that. You request a payout, they pay you. Period. End of story. The next day, same day, depending on what time of day it is. It's okay. They didn't take it from me, Scott. I gave it to them. You know what I'm saying? I know. I mean, yeah, it does suck how much money they've gotten from me. But they didn't take it from me. I gave it to them. So it's not them. It's me. All it takes is one day, dude. Yeah, bro. I've blown funded accounts. I had a funded account. I had a 50K at 5,900, and I was trying to push it to 6,000 that day. Almost on like day 8, and it didn't. The trade went. What just happened? Why am I? Oh, that was weird. Hold on a second. Something was weird. Something weird was going on. Oh, here we go. Sorry, guys. I got the screen on the thing. Corey Ratliff, what's going on, man? You were 1,000 away from a payout and you blew it. Oh man, that's frustrating. Dan Emmons put me onto this right here. This accounts module. You hit the plus sign and you grab accounts and you drag it down here, and it tells you your accounts that you have and what you're in and what your drawdown is. It's kind of I had it in here, and he's like, yo, pull it apart. Well, someone else told me about it, and then he's like, yo, pull it out from the other tabs and just keep it separate so you can see it at all times. So now, if you have this accounts tab separate at the bottom here, wow, nice little pop here. I'm glad I'm not trading anymore. Honestly, I was gonna reset a couple of evals, but I got distracted. I got R-Foul, what's going on, man? R-Foul has 17,000 confirmed for this payout cycle and 200 away from a 20K request. Dude, you're a fucking beast. Jamie, what's up, Jamie? Is gold good to trade overnight? People love gold. Try linear regression histogram indicator. Great way to see live channels. Yeah, I'll add that to the gold. I'll add that to the gold one. Linear regression histogram. Oh, by Lux Algo. You want me to use the Lux Algo one? I'll add the Lux Algo one. I like looking at these different indicators to see what happens. Oh, I see. There's a lot of shit going on there. Now I feel like I have way too much shit going on. But let's get rid of the SMAs. That cleans it up a little bit. Yeah, so like this Keltner thing, this Keltner channel reminds me of let me get rid of VWAP too. I wonder if they're overlapping. This Keltner channel reminds me of like Bollinger Bands, actually. Slade Gorman. Yeah, just never DCA, never go above 30%. As far as I'm concerned, I haven't DCA'd. But we'll see. RFL got denied a payout. Yeah, Robert W. Chef Chris, what's going on, man? Yeah, Robert W. I just don't want to pay. I don't want to pay for it if I don't have to. That's just, I don't know. I'm already paying enough. My tuition, I paid enough. You know what I mean? I don't want to pay for third-party tools. If it gets to the point where I'm getting like consistent payouts and like it's something that I could really benefit from, then I'll look back into it. Yeah, AS. I don't want to. I'm not gonna put pressure on myself. If I don't make it to this payout, I'll just keep trading and build up more of a cushion. But I'm real close. I feel like I could pull it off. Like, holy shit. Look at Peter. We bounced off the just above the 21 EMA. We bounced off the 21 SMA. And we went 30 points basically. So let me look at the calendar real quick. That's not the calendar. Calendar. So we are at, so Monday, well, yeah. Here's the window, 15th to the 20th. The 19th is I'm pretty sure the market's closed. That's what everybody keeps saying. This is a big holiday now. So The market is closed on the 19th, so we lose a day of trading, which sucks. I wonder if there's going to be any trading that day. Is it going to be like a half a day with the NQ, like the overnight or something? Or, I mean, futures in general. So we're here on the 13th. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3. For me to get these accounts in line for a payout, I have 4 days to get $2,200 basically. 2,200 divided by 4. Very doable, right? Let me see if wow. Holy shnikes. Holy shit. That's nuts. That just wiped out that whole move. You see that, guys? Holy shit. That's how you pass evals right there. That's how you pass evals. 40-point move right there. Bo Vosh, that's awesome. JML, QFX. NQ jumped, and then it dumped. Look at that. JTF used to be an admin in Lux Algo when they started around. That's crazy, bro, JTF, man. You're like a well-traveled person at your age. You're a young dude. JTF, if you guys don't know, JTF is a moderator at the official Apex Discord. And then somehow JTF found us, found my stream, and has been hanging out with us ever since. And he does a lot of work on the Discord, like on our Discord. All the customization, all the setup, all the different channels and all that shit on our Discord. He does all of that. So he's awesome. And he knows a lot about Apex rules and all that, obviously. So if you had any questions, about Apex, he's the guy you want to ask. I mean, he'll respond in the chat too. High Mountain Trader, yeah. High Mountain Trader was pending since June 1st, approved last night. I remember when you posted that, dude. Super exciting for you, man. That's awesome. Really happy for you, bro. So yeah, a bunch of people are getting approved. For a 50K account, KevDap, 780 is 780. If you're gonna go to 2,600, 780 is the 30%. And the only thing that happens if you do go over it, you just got to grow the account further. You know what I'm saying? That's all that happens. Just make sure you do it before you request a payout. I don't know, meme. Some people get their payouts requested, their payout requests approved in like a couple of days, and some people, like High Mountain Trader, it takes longer. Yup. Vince, yup. There we go. Yeah, Corey, yeah, I'm way behind on the chat. Sorry, guys. Corey answered your question. Awesome. You bought SPCE today? That's Space, right? What is that Space? SPCE stock. Oh, it's Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. I remember that. I used to trade options with that shit. It would get flow. Yeah, it's a half day. I'll trade on Juneteenth. The overnight's gonna flow into it, right? I'll be trading. You know what I'll do on that day? I'll stream early. I'll stream early if I can. When does it close? I can't. Robert W, dude. Robert W. I can't use Quantower either. It's only for PCs. I'm on a Mac, and I just don't. I'm not a PC guy at all. KevDap, yeah, 50% account, 50K account, 30% is 780. That dump was nuts. That was nuts, JML QFS. Look at this. That was crazy. 32 to 89. 43 points. Yeah, I like the smart money concepts indicator from Lux Algo. James Newton. Yeah, that was fucking crazy. Is JTF the guy that banned you in the Discord? I don't think so. From which Discord? My Discord? No, not mine. The fucking Apex Discord? You got banned from the Apex Discord? I got a 24-hour timeout from the Apex Discord. when all of that craziness was going on with payments and making people wait forever. What's up, Neil? Sorry, bro. I wish I fell asleep. I wish I fell asleep before I traded that London session. I still have my 50K take profit trader account that was almost passed. Oh, thanks, Mad Money Futures Trading. Yeah, bro. I try. I just like I'm not trying to be someone or something I'm not. Like, this is me. I'm just sharing my journey with you guys. So hopefully you could avoid a lot of the mistakes I make more than anything. And once in a while I'll make some good trades. But the best part about the stream at this point is all of you guys hanging out. You got just some. If you guys haven't noticed, there's some really awesome people hanging out in the stream. So what is going on? Is there earnings today? Does someone have earnings? Jesus. Thanks for saying that, Mad Money Futures Trading, man. Appreciate you, bro. Holy shit, bro. Did you guys see that? Yeah, oh my God. 58. No, that was like almost 100 points. No. 98. 40 points right there. What the hell? Awesome, James. Yeah, I haven't been in the Discord at all. Oh, Corey, man. Infinity Stones, here I come. Yeah, Robert W. Yeah, I'm with you on the VM and the VMware and parallels. I've had them in the past and it messed my Mac up big time, like one of my older Macs. So I don't fuck with it. I still have that Mac. I have a 17-inch. I have a 2010 17-inch MacBook Pro chilling in the box in my closet. That shit was so good. But unfortunately, it's not the upgradable one. It's a 2010. So it's stuck at 8 gigs of RAM. It's kind of unusable nowadays. So, but it's cool, and I have it. It's fucking big and heavy. It's so cool. I need to get another big one like that. I'm going to get a 16-inch M1. That's the next Mac I want to grab. Jacob Hodge, what's good, man? Yeah, and also with my stream, bro, you guys watch me stream, there's a lot of people that, go through the same shit I do, but maybe not as extreme as me. So you could watch my stream and feel better about yourself saying wow, I thought I was a fucking loser. And now I found ZERODAYJay, and this guy put himself through a lot more than I'm putting myself through. So, I'm here for you guys. I could serve as a therapeutic vice for you in that regard. Adobe earnings. Okay, Scott. That was nuts. Oh, we doing some inverted head and shoulder shit going on here? They're going to pop up again, another leg? I'm not trading this. Alfred, bro, that was crazy. Nuts. JML QFX, he's the market maker. He's the one that's doing this. You got to tell us before it happens, bro. Alfred saw the pop and kept adding. You were DCAing on the way up. That's not an Apex violation. I don't think you even have any Apex accounts. That was nuts. To swerve. Yeah, exactly, bro. Smart Greeks, what's going on, man? It's going below 600 again. 600 was support, but man, I don't know if 600 was support because of anything other than Adobe, those earnings. That was fucking crazy. Yeah. Top Step welcomes the DCA gang. Hashtag DCA gang. DCA Denial Club. The first rule of DCA Denial Club is we don't talk about DCA Denial Club. That was absolutely insane. The dump too. Was a dump that was that last minute dump because of Adobe too? Or that was just because we popped a bunch and we just filled the gap? That was fucking crazy. Imagine I had an order in by accident. That would have sucked. I'm good with this. I'm good with this. 73 and 74. The Big Daddy 250 KPAs, both up $861 on the day. Fucking sign me up. Sign me up. Hey, if you guys aren't, oh, I never showed you this. I don't know if you guys are still on. We were talking about my daughter's birthday before. So check this out. Is that, that's not the only one. Here it is. I was talking about how we did a home birth. There she is. There's my 13-year-old in my wife's arms. I touched her first. This is my oldest child. This is my daughter Jordan, who was laughing at me before because I hopped on the stream and she was sitting like right near me, eating some food with her boyfriend. This is her. Fucking crazy. She's turning 18 next month. This girl right here. She's turning 18 this next month, and she just turned 13 today. Nuts. And then this is me holding her. This is me holding her. Totally glowing. It was she still has all the shit on her. She was born in her amniotic sac. So after I touched her first, I like I was a quarterback waiting for the hike, right? Behind the lineman. I had her first, and she was born in the sack. She came out in the sack. So the midwife had to step in and, open the sack and like finish the job. But it was fucking crazy. So crazy. What a day. What a fucking day. Anyway, what are we doing here? Wild. I think Top Step. Maybe, they're just being smart. Maybe they're just being smart. Maybe they know their metrics, and this is the optimal. Maybe this is the optimal setup for them. How they have it right now. They just expanded to 5. Did I have a good day? Oh, that's fucking bullshit with the multiple bracket orders. Like, at least they're not letting you. Is that an Apex Trade Evade thing, or is it a Trade Evade thing across the board? Because they don't want you bracket trading. What up, Bruce? Bruce Lean was there last night. Bruce Lean saw me getting fucking my ass chewed up by fucking gold. Yo, I was, how old was I in that picture? Yeah, that's my fade. That's my fade, high and tight. I like doing that. Yeah, I haven't done that in a while. I haven't shaved my head in a while. My hairline is not as, you see how nice my hairline is there? I don't really have that much of a hairline anymore. Well, you see it. I just don't, it's receded since 2000. It's receded in the last 13 years. I can tell you that much. Probably has nothing to do with having 4 kids. Yep. I cut my own hair. I give myself the GLF. You guys know what the GLF is? I'm good, bro. Yeah, I'm here. I still got I got a good amount. It's just not as good. The line doesn't go as straight across as it used to. James Newton bald gang. DCA gang, bald gang, hashtag clench gang. That's so weird, Jen. DCA, District of Columbia Airport. 30s, Jay. Yeah, now I'm 44. Crazy. Thanks, man. Thank you guys. Braid it real quick. Yeah, Cooper. I'm 44. Bo, I'm 44. I'll be 45 in September. I don't feel it though. But the only thing that gives away my age is all the gray. The gray definitely fucking, and like I'm at the point where GLF. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Adam? So like, no matter how short I go on the side now, because I give myself my fades, I give myself the GLFs. It's the get laid fade, right? No matter how short I cut it on the side, it's still gray. I could still see all the gray. So I can't hide it anymore. I can't hide my age. No doubt, Bo. 39 in August. 39. Do you feel 39 or you feel younger? I feel younger. Yo, it's Tamsy, Jay. What's good? I feel this is crazy though. Look at this. What a fucking even here from the bottom, 88, 89 to fucking 38. 11 and 30. That's 50 points basically. Hey Terry. Yeah, bro. I'm not that far away from that, Chef Chris. My energy is 22. Thank you. Could be the coffee. And then well, I'm not going to the gym today because I won't be able to because we're doing all the birthday stuff. But I had 2 cups of coffee, right? 2 big cups of coffee. I fill them up. I think the maker does 12 ounces, and then I'll go to the gym later on in the day and take pre-workout. You're only just starting to get gray hair now at 39. Damn, bro, I'm so jealous. I started getting gray hair at in my late little bits and pieces at my late 20s, early 30s, and it hasn't stopped, obviously. By the time I was 39, I had a lot of gray hair. Just keeps getting grayer and grayer. What's up, Nathaniel? Do you do a mini on 50K accounts? Yes, I trade only minis. But don't trade like me. If you let's say you made 1,200. What size? Adam, what size, bro? Let's say I made 1,200 on my PA for the first day, 50K. Okay, let's do the math. The 30% consistency rule. So all you got to do is divide 1,200 by 0.3. You need to get up to $4,000. You need to take it to 4,000. No, YOLO, Pimp Daddy Trades. What's good, man? I know you were on before. I wasn't sure if you were still hanging out. Yeah, so that's where you would have to do. That's where you would have to go. Yeah, 1,200 divided by 30% is 4,000. How much can you do in a 250K? 1,980. So if the profit goal on a 250K is, that's another thing I like about it. Although I did have one day, I feel like I got 1,400 in a day, but I don't know if it was on these accounts or another one I blew. 6,600 times 30%, 1,980 is the cutoff for the 30% consistency rule. If you go over it, it's not the end of the world. You just got to grow the account more. It's not a death blow. It's just to your payout. It's just you have to if you don't grow it further to get yourself out of the violation, then when you request a payout, it won't be approved. That's all. Sin City Futures, what's good, man? Yo, I'm going to the fucking some claw thing today in Vegas for my daughter's birthday. There's like a million different claw fucking machines in there. Oh, I still have that account, Coach T. It was crazy, and the account was actually up like 1,100. I forgot I even hit it, and then I fucking here it is right here. I fucked it up because I started in gold with it, but I still have it. This is the account, same account. It was still there, and it was actually up. I didn't get any emails from them or anything. Yeah, UFO catcher machines. All I think about now when I think of those claw machines is fucking Toy Story. I think it was Toy Story 2 when they're in the arcade or whatever. JC Rodri, what's up? You passed the 250K today. You were trading the other 250K and I have no idea, but I switched to my real PA and I blew it out. Damn. Yeah, because you thought you were trading the eval, so you were fucking going heavy. That sucks, man. I had no idea what happened. You might have just accidentally didn't hit it right in the drop down. You know what you got to do? Do you see this tab right here that says accounts? if you're in Tradeovate. I don't know if you're in Tradeovate. If you're in Tradeovate, add this module called accounts, and it'll tell you what accounts you have, what your drawdown is, if you're in a position, right? So if I was in a position right now, it would tell me if I'm up or down. Like, yeah, it tells you over here, but this has all of your accounts. So if you get filled on an account and you don't realize it, or you're trading the wrong account by mistake, like you would know because you would have this right here. You know what I'm saying? So definitely do that. Definitely do that. I highly recommend anybody who uses Tradeovate do that. Jason, man, thank you. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you guys as always. You guys are awesome. The stream is nothing without you, right? Otherwise, if you guys weren't here, I'd just be talking to nobody. You know, so we're all just hanging out. We're all just breathing and relaxing. Oh, Dom. Well, you know, you were expecting a pop here. Well, Adobe had earnings. It blew its load right here. I don't think Adobe's going to go up anymore. Like, I don't think we're going to get a big move up anymore until if and when they do they do their conference call after the earnings report comes out. And it really all depends on what they say on the conference call. It'll either pop again or it'll dump. It'll do one or the other. But I don't know if that's happening before futures closes. You know what I'm saying, guys? Oh my God. Dom. DV, what's up, man? That's interesting. That's interesting. So yeah, if that's just like a glitch, that fucking sucks. Fister 5. Oh yeah. See, if you're on your phone, if you tried to make that's interesting. Sin City, were you on the desktop? Fred, what up, man? Yeah, Adobe call starts in 1 hour, so the market's not going to move much more because the calls it might we might gap up or down like when we reopen, but nothing's going to happen. I don't see another big move like this happening before the market closes. You were on the desktop. Damn, that fucking sucks, bro. $144 minis. Oh, are you talking about you? What are you looking at the book map? JML QFX. Hey guys, if you haven't smashed the like button or the thumbs up, we got to do it for Trevor LeConte. I don't think Trevor was in here today. He was around last night, I think, for a little bit. We got to smash the like button and the thumbs up for Trevor LeConte because if he was in here, he would tell everyone to do it. That's all I got for that. Trevor LeConte is big into the smashing the like button. That's my boy. There were issues with ghost trades today. And I noticed that other traders had the same issue saying on the Discord. So now Tradeovate is starting to have random issues regularly. Fred, yeah, man. I feel your pain. I've lost, how many have I lost overall? I've lost 72. But that sucks, bro. That really sucks. Do you have any more? Yeah, I could see that. And then we had the earnings. Oh, what happened, Neil? I missed it. I didn't see what you said. Oh, rhythmic. People are still having rhythmic issues. You know what's interesting? I don't think these rhythmic issues are happening anywhere else other than Apex. Like their server, whatever server they have, because they don't have, they have their own dedicated server with rhythmic because of the amount of people that use their platform. Either, I would just say that especially with the influx of users and accounts with the 90% off sale, it just literally wrecked their server. But they should have been able to handle it. They should have had, if you had you know how it is nowadays. It's 2024. You should be able to have something that's going to be able to fucking handle it. Especially like with cloud servers and shit. Like there shouldn't never be an issue with servers anymore. It's not 2005. You know what I mean? All right, you still got 6 left, bro. Yep, Bolinox is fine. No issues with them because they don't have as many users, I'd say. Yeah, well, last week was an absolute fucking shit show. Total shit show. Total shit show. Yeah, I know. I'm skipping the gym. I might do something quick in my garage. I don't like skipping the gym. I usually go. It's 5 days a week, and then I play baseball on the weekends. I play 1 or 2 games every weekend, depending on if the other team needs me. But yeah, I'm at the gym 5 days a week, and I go to the batting cages twice a week. I go to the cages on Tuesday and Friday with guys I play ball with, and then I work out Monday through Friday, and then I play baseball on Sundays. But today it's my daughter's birthday. I'm not gonna. There's no. I guess I could have went to the gym instead of streaming, but fuck that. I'd rather be hanging out right now with you guys for the stream. I skipped the gym for the stream. How many evals PS you went through on your carry on your trading till today's date? To be honest, 30 is nothing, bro. 30 is nothing. I've gone through like 359. I've had 300. Hey, so if I get another eval, let me check. Am I logged into my Apex account? I'm not. You guys are all going to see my fucking email address. I really don't care. All right, so my last eval is 359. So I've had 359 evals. You want to see something else that's cool? I just, I've also had 70. I'm also up to my 73rd and 74th PA accounts. So let me go to signatures. My first ever funded account was at. I got my first ever funded account after my 25th eval. Then my 20. This is like all of the number of evals that I've had fund. These all became funded accounts. What a loser! What a loser I am. But I did get one payout so far, and I'm getting closer to my second and third and fourth. It will become a regular thing. I just don't, man. If you're only on 30, man, that's nothing, bro. You're just getting started. Just tighten it up. Learn from your mistakes. Learn some good setups. Like find a couple of setups that are always good for you that you could see, and only trade those. Don't get FOMO. It's easier said than done, obviously, because I'm a sucker for FOMO. Yeah, 25 is nothing. Trust me, bro. Fred's at 322 evals here. Fred's also gotten payouts though. What's my workout split? Eminem. You guys ever hear of Athlean X? I do. I basically did almost all of his programs, all of his paid shit. It's functional. I do functional athletic training. So a lot lately, all I do, I've done. He's done like upper push, upper pull. He does push pull legs. Like I do right now. Like lately, I take my son to the gym with me, my 16-year-old, and I just do. I like doing full body. I like doing a little bit of everything every day. So I'm not completely dead in one specific area. We had another sell off here. Oh no, yeah, it was 359. I have a feeling it had something to do with Adobe's earnings, but then it popped right back up, filled the gap. TRT, he's not on TRT. You would think he's on TRT. The dude's, I've been following that guy since 2000. I found him in 2014 when he had like 640,000 subscribers. I'm not on anything. I'm on caffeine. I take a lot of like supplements to boost my testosterone, like natural supplements to boost my testosterone production, and I do a lot of compound lifts. I'm not on anything. I don't even really drink a lot of protein at this point. I just forget to make protein shakes. I just eat and work out and barely sleep at this point. But I do it for the stream. Jeff Cavalier is the fucking man, though. Athlean X. Bruce, yeah, I'm gonna trade gold again. I will trade gold again. I could see. I look around the gold chart and I see nothing but unlimited potential. I would love how steroids and trading. Yeah, I don't. If I was on anything, I'd be like, I'm in, like, I'm not gonna flex or anything, but I'm in really good shape for me. I'm in the best shape I've been in a long, like, ever, I think. But if I was on steroids, I would be gigantic. I can't get gigantic. I just don't get gigantic. Test replacement therapy. Yeah, I need some take profit trader TRT. Yeah, there we go. High Mountain Trader. Fucking High Mountain Trader's a G. Nice job, man. TRT is Mickey. TRT is testosterone replacement therapy. A lot of guys, older guys, take TRT. I take Tonkat Ali. I take a lot of stuff, so I can spend time with my wife. You know what I mean? So me and my wife can hang out. But no, I take so she doesn't trade me in for younger guys like some of you guys. But I take ashwagandha. I take all natural stuff. I take this stuff called Tribulus terrestris. I'm actually cycling off of it right now. I take DHEA. I take ginseng, red Korean ginseng. I take Tonkat Ali. Yeah, I know.
You need to take something from memory.
My wife said I need to take something from memory. I know. I'm getting Crypto Panda. What's going on, man? Yeah, I don't take any injections or anything. Fuck that.
Okay, there's nothing wrong with that.
Oh, I just don't want to. Because once you start taking like injections, like testosterone injections,
You can stop.
yeah, I don't know. It's kind of, I don't know. I feel like TRT is the type of thing. Once you start taking it, you have to keep taking it. Yo, roid rage during the stream. I don't need. Yeah, imagine that. Taking my computer and smashing it, getting a sledgehammer and smashing this countertop. That'd be awesome. Be so awesome. What's up, One Stop Trader?
But on that note,
Yeah, my wife is pushing me to. Hey, thanks, Adam. Appreciate you, man.
I'm just trying to keep you
Right back at you, Adam. 100 lot. What's going on? Yeah, I do like I haven't taken maca root in a little while. I actually want to grab some. I love maca root. Shit is really good for you, for vitality. You think ashwagandha is more like it helps you with your mood and stress. What up, Ebenar? Big Daddy's looking for, yeah, they are, aren't they? They are. 861 today, plus 861. The highlight of my day of these two accounts. Alfred, that's all. That's it, man. That's the name of the game at this point. And my wife's over here looking at me.
what?
She's just laughing at me. She's rolling her eyes.
You looked at me, so I know.
I just looked at you because I saw you over there. You're so beautiful.
Inappropriate.
She's looking at me a certain way. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like
What up,
you better
Zane?
get off that tree
Yeah, and
you
I'm
better
getting.
go.
Well, she was smiling at me. Now she's giving me the death look to get off. I got two 250 KPAs right here. I have to get some more. I have to reset some of my evals with the $35 reset deal that they're running, and I'll see if I can push those up. It's just for fun, Mike. I know dudes that use that just for fun. Yeah, Zane, 2K more on both of these. That's it. I might be able to do it before on the 20th. 20th is the last day for me. It's the day 10. Let me see. What day am I on? PA charts. PA charts. So I'm on day 6. Let me go back to the calendar, and then I got to run because I really got to go. La, 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 la. I'm on day 6. So tomorrow's day 7, 8, 9. Yeah, the 20th will be day 10 for me. So, yeah. So I might be able to do it. I'm averaging, if today's day 6 and I'm at 45.31, 45.31 divided by 6. I'm averaging 755 a day. I need 2,000 in 4 days. I need 2,100, depending on the account, because this one's a little bit higher than the other one for a couple of weird reasons. But yeah, I need to get 2,200 bucks in both accounts in 4 days. I think I could do it. I'm not going to force it though. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. Yeah. All right, guys. Future prosperity, no audio. There's plenty of audio. You guys can hear me, right? Turn up your volume, dude. I think everybody hears me. Let me see. Turn up your volume, dude. Yeah, it still works. Yeah, I was fasting. I fasted for like 6 weeks straight, and then I got sick, and I kind of fell off of that. I got to get back on it. I was loving it. Awesome. All right, guys. I got to run though, because we got to leave soon. OF DJ. That's funny, Joe. That's funny, Joe. Yeah, I gotta go because I gotta make my update videos in like less than 10 minutes because we got to go out. Yeah, I did it for 6 weeks. I did not eat for 6 weeks. I was fasting every day though. But anyway, guys, I got to run for real. I wish I could hang out longer. Normally I would. Normally I would hang out for another hour almost, but I got to run because we got to go. We got to go do our birthday stuff for my daughter's 13th birthday. So it's been a pleasure, guys. Really had a good time with you. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you